Hi and welcome to Adventures with the Mullies. My name's Tommy and I'm at the Robinson's Cabo Verde in Sal on the island of Cape Verde. The island of Cape Verde. This is a suite with a direct view of the sea. My god, it's brilliant. I'm going to show you around. I don't think the video will do it any justice whatsoever. It's brilliant. The past two videos have just been like wow. So yeah, let's take a look now. So this is the suite, room 1141. If you immediately turn left, you're in the lounge area. The feel for this room is like you're at home. Now the room is presented with a sofa, coffee table, with a desk area, with a TV on the wall, with plenty of channels for you to watch. On the desk there's a coffee machine as well as a fridge below. The whole of the suite, it has wooden flooring throughout, a really nice modern contemporary feel to it. There's also a sliding door that you come off the balcony into the lounge area. Again, it's floor to ceiling. It's magnificent, makes the room so bright. So we're going to head down the corridor into the bedroom. In the room you have another sliding door that takes you out onto the balcony. Again, it's floor to ceiling. The beds are twin, but they can be pushed together to make it into a big double. There's lamps, bedside units either side of the bed with USB chargers, which is an absolute godsend. Added bonus that there's also two mirrors either side of the bed. It makes the room feel so big, and it's big anyhow. So with the room, you're gonna love it. It's absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna show you where the wardrobes are. You're gonna be thinking, there they are. Then into the bathroom we go. We've got twin basins, a nice big mirror. There's storage below the sinks, so you can put all like your toiletries, your beauty products, etc. down there. Now you've also got the walk-in shower. Again, it's a rainfall shower. You've also got the smaller shower head too. WC is separate as well. But yeah, the bathroom is nice and big, plenty of space. Now here's the balcony. It's nice and big and rectangular. There's a couple of chairs and table for you to chill, watch the world go by with those marvellous grounds in front of you. And there's also a couple of sun loungers too, so if you wanted to go back to the room early and you don't want to miss out on the rays, it's a great place to chill. Makes you feel like you're part of being on that beach. This adults only hotel at the Robinsons is absolutely fab. The facilities and food are tremendous. The entertainment's great. You're only a short walk from Santa Maria via the boardwalk that leads you there. Brilliant, great hotel. So thank you for watching Adventures with the Mullies. My name is Tommy, but for now, ciao.